What's good, future millionaires? We back with another banger. I'm DecemberDeMarco, Fortune 500 marketer, and I'm here to share my insights of the market with y'all to hopefully help y'all become better informed investors for another year, man. Salute to everybody that was rocking with me during 2021. Happy New Year. We all, made it to see another year and to continue to, become better informed investors and grow our portfolios. And that's what we're here to do today. I got three tokens that are likely to triple in your portfolio in 2022. Now, one of them is one that I'm a little more confident in because it has a major community and I like what they're doing. Another one is, a second, favorite that I'm looking into right now. And then the third one is one that I just discovered that's very early, that I hope to, see this project take off and get y'all in very early while the market cap is still low. So the first project we got here today is gaming Shiba. So let's check out the chart real quick. As you can see, the price is here at the 12,597 level. We're down a little bit from all-time highs. I like to catch projects like this underneath their all-time highs because it shows us that we still have potential, to make up, to go back to the upside. And also I took a look at the chart on this one, and you notice we have this major breakout happening right here outside of this what would have been a cup pattern here. And this is a strong bullish indication that the price wants to continue to push upwards, at least to the next resistance level that we might see, which is around that 14 or about that 1430 level, just about. So hopefully this is a very strong indicator that the price wants to break through this next resistance level as well and continue to push out to a new all-time high. So gaming Shiba has been around since about November 26. So this one is just over a month old, so still very early on this one. We got the market cap sitting at 680 market cap is at 7 million. The locked liquidity is at 686,000. So this is one of the tips I want to give y'all. When y'all look, I hear a lot of people talk about market cap. Market cap, is a good indicator of how strong the project is, but what you really want to take a look at is that locked liquidity. Because think about it. If this project has, like let's say right now, $686,000 in locked liquidity, that gives us a little bit more confidence that this isn't a rug pull. Now, 686,000 isn't the most amount of money, but if this was just a group of bad actors that wanted to pop up and do a quick scam and try to steal some money real quick, they would have already did it before the point of 686,000. Now, I like to have another rule that I also try to pay attention to as well. I know that at $1 million, I have seen some rug pools allow the market cap or the locked liquidity to hit that point of $1 million in rug pool. But I've seen that is very, very unlikely to happen. I don't see that happen too often. Normally you see rug pools start to be the rug pulled around that 100K, 200K, 300K mark. Now, this is not financial advice. This is not what happens all the time, but I'm just showing y'all something that I normally see. So right now, this just tells me that this team is serious, and not looking to, potentially pull the rug on this project. So let's take a look at also the amount of holders. So this project is sitting at 26,795 holders right now. That is a lot of holders. You want to pay attention to that. So I pulled up the web page. I took a look at the roadmap as well, but I want to give y'all a quick intro to the website, and y'all have to come do your own due diligence on this because I'll do a full breakdown on each website, but because I'm doing 3 projects in this one video, I'm gonna make it a little shorter. So the website is gaming-shiba.com. So gaming Shiba, your virtual dog, the modern technology and contemporary ambient that the internet created cannot be imagined to function as a whole without cryptocurrency. The impact that the cryptocurrency has on a global scale is astronomical, and in a sense of being the generator of almost every development, and especially the latest one. Upcoming digital platforms will bring the opportunities and experiences that gamers did not have before. Gaming Shiba will be a binding bridge between gamers, streaming platforms, NFTs, and metaverses. So, pay attention to this one because it has those meme characteristics behind it. A lot of people in the Shib army could potentially jump behind this one. So you want to keep your eye on this one if you haven't, and they're performing, really well on the chart. So gaming Shiba is the ultimate token for gamers and streamers all over the globe. So y'all check out this project, look further into it. We could do a quick look into the roadmap because this is my favorite part of some of the projects. So I want to, show y'all some of the things that they have planned. So we look for three things: specific, measurable, and realistic. Y'all know that. Now right here they don't have it measurable where we got a time frame on it, but by looking at the chart, this tells me that this team is serious and they do have the potential to have something major on their hands here. So website launch, pre-sale announcement, dessert finance, pre-sale on pink sale, launch on pancakeswap, coin market cap, and CoinGecko listing. So all those things were accomplished. I like to see things in the roadmap being checked off, and that's one thing that we can see. They're showing us what they've accomplished already by checking it off with these green checks. So prize winning games, check. So also now what they have upcoming: first NFT collectibles, merchandise, influencer marketing, partnerships, central exchange listings, website upgrade, second exchange listing, CertiK audit complete. That was a very big thing for me that I like to see that already, because once we can see that their audit is already complete, it shows us that they really take this project serious and that it's a potentially safe project for us to at least put in an amount that we're willing to risk losing. Remember, I always tell y'all, never risk more than you're willing to lose, so that way you do not become an emotional investor and end up tricking yourself out of your position. We knocked a lot of plays out of the park here recently on the channel just before the year closed out, and a lot of those projects dipped a little bit after we called them, but ended up taking off a lot further. We end up getting 10x on some of those plays. But you have to be confident in the project and be able to hold during those times when the chart retraces or there's a healthy pullback. Every pullback, every dip that you see in the chart is not a bad dip. Sometimes you have to see that in order for the project to continue to grow healthy. So 100K holders, almost, we're at that 27K mark. So think about it, 100K holders, we're at just about, let's just say 25,000 holders, even though I know it's 27,000, but that's basically 4x into in the amount of holders to this goal is complete. So think about it, this project easily has the potential to do another 4x right there. And to think about it, the market cap is only at 7 million right now. If we put that multiply that by 4, 7, 14, 21, that's $28 million market cap. Anything under $1 billion that is serious in crypto is fairly cheap or undervalued at the time being. So hopefully we see this project rise with some serious real use case, and we see some real platforms come from this. But I got a little faith in them. Now I'm not saying go dive in, I'm not saying go invest in it, I'm not telling you to do that, I'm telling you to do your research. So they also have new partnerships on the way, NFT marketplace planned, streaming, and a metaverse, and strategic development. So I'm very interested to see what they got here with this. So let's take another look at the chart real quick. So remember, the price is right now at that 1240 level. So remember that, I told y'all to come check it out. Now let's go to the next project. This is another one that has been in my group. Members in my community have called this play out. This is, all the plays I don't all the time call out. This was one the community called out, and I decided to look in it, and this was an absolute banger. So congratulations to y'all that got in on that. Yes, one of my secret weapons is my community. You know what I'm saying? That's the importance of building community, especially people who wake up every day with a passion to learn more and be involved and invested into cryptocurrency. What better else could we be building? That way, once, some of us hear about, plays early, we could put them on the table, and it gives everyone the chance to do their own due diligence and look into these projects. So right now we got MetaPets sitting at $3.3 million in locked liquidity. The market cap is at $87 million. Now that's, that's up there. It has a lot more room to go. If you ask me, this project was just created about November 19th. So it's a little over a month old, not even 2 months old yet. Now the price is around the all-time high right now. I'm expecting a pullback, a correction to, if we look back in the left of the chart, maybe a potential resistance area. Remember, I taught y'all that previous resistance areas become new supports. So just because you hear of a project and you see it does not mean you have to FOMO in and buy at the top. Because now let's say if this triggers off a sale and the price retraces and you bought in up here, you're going to be held in the hole. So you can establish a little position here. If for whatever reason, your due diligence tells you that the price is going to take off from here, then you could probably establish a little position. But me, from a technical analysis standpoint, I would like to, buy in on the dips. I like to buy the, not at the all-time highs, because that's how you kind of get stuck, what they call bag holding for a while. Now, not saying that I don't think this project is going to go a lot higher, but you just want to be in the green versus entering on a project and holding it in the red, because that just does something to you, psychologically. So let's see how many holders this project is at. Right now, it is at 77,000 holders, y'all. This project is not playing. So let's dive into the website real quick and just take a look. I want y'all to check this out. Please remember to do your own due diligence. This is not financial advice, but check this out. So metapetscoin.com. So the website heading is your new favorite pet, your digital forever pets for the metaverse. So this is, interesting. Think about how much people love pets, in real life. The metaverse is becoming something that I believe will become a part of our everyday lives. So, or at least a major part of society. So, people care about and value pets in the real world. So why wouldn't they, in the fake world or the metaverse? Think about those, all the different games, where people have already online where they can, grow their pets. Think about the little keychain, gigapets and things like that they used to have back in the day. All those things, are basically coming back into, the forefront right now with what we have with the metaverse and the, the crypto space and NFTs. These things are being combined, and right now, I think all those things were ahead of its time, and right now is the real perfect time for this right now, because things are actually backed on the blockchain versus you just holding a digital creature on your electronic device. There's no, monetary value actually attached to that, where you can trade it or send it, to someone else, and it actually holds some form of value off of just holding some sense of value, in general. So how we handle the project. So best marketing strategies. Our experienced team have a wide range of connections, which will help us push further in early phase to secure our exposure and funds for developing our plans. Community mods and admins. We have cherry picked one of the best mods and admins throughout the crypto scene, and we aim to have the biggest community ever. So Class A blockchain developers. We have partnerships with the best developing companies to help us fulfill our roadmaps and plans. So here's some other pages you can check out. Here's some of the team right here. So let's take a look at the whole crew. This is very important to see, when you can see members of the team that are actually docs, that can give you a little bit more confidence in a project. Let's go back. I don't want to open up the Telegram, but make sure I'll put the Telegram in the description section of this video, so y'all make sure y'all check that out. Also, do not forget to hit the thumbs up like button on this video. We're going to be turning up for 2022. I'm going to be bringing y'all new projects every single day. Now, all of these projects, are not going to be, just home runs, but I want y'all to become, more familiar with the crypto space. I want y'all to learn more about what's going on. I want y'all to have your eyes on more of these projects, because remember, the people who bought Shib in January last year, by May, they were millionaires. So don't forget that. We're going to find that play, y'all. So stay tuned, turn on notifications, subscribe, all that. So let's take a look at the chart again. Yeah, this is absolutely mooning right now. So let's slide over again to another project that's down just about 50% from its all-time high, very low cap. So I like this project because, it's a decentralized social media platform that is connected to the blockchain. Instead of creating a login and a account username thing like that, you basically would just connect your wallet, and it's basically a Facebook, Twitter styled social media platform, but it's decentralized, so you can post whatever you want. No one has control over it. There's no governing body, and one of the best things I like about it is, you can monetize your content on there. So basically anybody that creates an account on there can be paid for their content. They can be receiving paid advertisement money for creating content around certain things. So that's something that I like about this one. So let's take a look at the price right here. It's at that 113625 level. Market cap is sitting at just $500,000. The lock liquidity is only at $44,000. Now this one is a little risky, but we see the price pulling back right now. The reason why I pulled this one up is because it's almost 50% off. This might be a good time to get in on this one. Now if we take a look, if we remove this Fibonacci retracement tool, okay, sliding the whole chart. If we remove this, we can see that the price is retracing to our previous resistance levels. So that might hold support right there and be a good time, to enter on this one. Now, this is not financial advice. Again, you have to do your own research. I tried to jump into the Telegram and ask the team a couple questions on this one, but it's so early on this one that, I just wanted to bring it to y'all before I got those answers back, and let y'all get a chance to check this one out too. So let's check out the website real quick. A decentralized social media platform that puts you in control. So the developer of this is Dox as well. That was another part of my decision that I wanted to bring this project to y'all. So secure and easy authentication, fast and easy account creation, and log in by simply connecting your crypto wallet. No extra passwords and verification needed. So here's an example of what it may look like. Now the creator of this is a designer and product developer, so he has experience in this lane already. That's a good sign. I took a look at the white paper as well, as you can see here. It was nice. I liked it. I like what they're putting together. I want y'all to come check this out, man. You have to do your own due diligence though. I'm not saying buy it. I'm not saying, don't buy it. I'm just saying come check it out. So the creator is Cosmin Nagoita. I'm not sure how to pronounce that. Nagoita. Not sure exactly, but this is the developer of it right here. So he is Dox. You can find out more information about him. I like how he put this together. There's a nice little marketing thing attached to this. The way he played the story out. So I want y'all to come check it out. So that's all we got for this video. We could check the price of Shib real quick. There's nothing much really going on right now with Shib. I checked everywhere. It's the beginning of the year. It's that quiet time. I told y'all we had to let everything die down. All the hype is dying down before we see that next pump. And the price is still sitting higher than our previous swing low. So as long as we're staying higher than that 20, just about that 20, I told you I think the price could pull back in worst case scenario to the 27 level, but as long as we stay above that 27 level, I think things will be fine. I think right now what we're seeing is the price slowly staircasing its way back up to around that 45 level, maybe 54 even if we're more bullish, and then potentially all-time highs. It's gonna happen quick. It's not gonna give you a warning. It's not gonna give you some time to prepare before the price takes back off again. This is your chance now to do what you want to do with Shib. So I don't see the price dropping too much lower. Why? Because if we look to the left in the chart, the previous data in the chart shows us that these were previous resistance levels that we're seeing right here. Right before our dip of that dip we seen of right around that 3 level or around that 28 level. That was our previous resistance level. So to see it pull down and touch right there and bounce right back off and make a higher low is a very healthy sign, y'all. So appreciate y'all for pulling up. Make sure you tap in with me if you would like to get my technical analysis course. You can email me DecemberDeMarco@gmail.com. Join the Facebook group, private stock market game. Also email me if you're interested in getting into the paid private Discord. Man, 2022 is our year, man. Appreciate y'all for pulling up. We are out.